Murder charges. Today, the man accused of killing an elderly North Adams woman appears in court to hear what's listed on a grand jury indictment. Our Matt Markham has covered this story from the start for us, and he was in Berkshire District Court today for our continuing coverage. Matt?
Hi there, Dory. David Delratez heard the charges brought forth by that grand jury before a judge, his own family, and the daughter of the victim. It was a brief appearance, but one which begins the process of finding out what David Delratez's involvement may have been in the death of an elderly North Adams woman. Court documents suggest Ellen DePaoli was someone the man knew, would eat dinner with, would stay at her house overnight, and was friends with her son. Delratez was read the most serious charge on a grand jury indictment today.
At North Adams in the county of Berkshire, did assault and beat Ellen DePaoli by means of a dangerous weapon.
That cry you heard came from Delratez's loved ones, who have said they stand by the accused even after he was apprehended across state lines in Bennington, Vermont, several days after DePaoli's death. At that time, Delratez was found not far from DePaoli's missing car. Police papers said a knife was found in that car, consistent with the type of weapon used to stab the victim. We went to talk to the public defender representing Delratez, but he wouldn't talk on camera. He did tell me, though, that his client's plea spoke for itself, proclaiming his innocence, quote, loudly, clearly, and affirmatively.
Not guilty.
One loved one shook her head at that, and perhaps an example of that confidence spoken of, Delratez winked at his family as he was led out of court. Despite that plea today, court papers from Vermont claim Delratez said at the time of his arrest, quote, I love that old woman, I hurt that old woman. I could see it in her eyes, and he could be talking about DePaoli. Well, what's next for Mr. Delratez? A pretrial hearing in April. Until then, he's being held without bail at the Berkshire County Jail. Live in the studio, Matt Markham, CBS 6 News.